Hi, Captain Greg from Boat Test, and we're here aboard Sunseeker's new Predator 75, which is being launched at this year's 2023 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. On the starboard side aft of the Predator 75 is a tender garage designed to hold a Williams jet tender. The swim platform is perfect to launch your sea toys or to go swimming. The walkway on either side of the Predator 75 is 18 inches wide. It offers plenty of room to get along the side of the yacht. These are very sturdy stainless steel handrails, and I like the height at the side of the walkway. There's a watertight door that leads into the helm. Forward on the bow are two distinct areas. Here we have seating for about 8 people around this teak table. Sure to be a popular place on the 75 is this forward sun pad for 2 to 3 people. I like these huge sun pads here facing aft that can recline up in the back. Easily can fit 3 or 4 people. With the helm on the starboard side in the combination salon pilot house, Sunseeker has added a control station for easy visibility and docking. The aft cockpit of the Predator 75 has ample seating. There's this wraparound seating area around a true carbon fiber dining table, and a long bench seat, easily for 6. And the cockpit to port is a grill, a wet bar, and ice maker and refrigerator below. Transitioning from the cockpit into the salon creates a very open feel. This back section is completely open. A nice design feature is this window raises and lowers, but the front panel of it is actually the door that slides across to port, latching on the outside. Inside the salon, we have another large wraparound seating area around yet another carbon fiber high-low table. On the port side of the salon is this large flat screen TV that retracts down into this attractive cabinet unit. The helm station of the Predator 75, it's got very nice visibility all the way around. Garmin's 16-inch displays and everything that you'd expect to see. It's a fly-by-wire steering system, which gives a lot of flexibility in how it can be calibrated and adjusted to feel. The Predator 75 has both bow and stern thrusters. One of the most desirable aspects of Sunseekers for most buyers is the performance. The Predator 75 is powered by twin-man V12 1900 horsepowers with V-drives. Gives it a top speed of 40 knots and cruises in the low to mid-30s. One thing that any captain appreciates is company. Not only does the helm have 2 seats available, but there's also a wraparound seating area aligned to the helm seats, but with visibility forward. Another desirable aspect for buyers of Sunseeker yachts is the stylish design. Here in the salon, we have a combination of leather and suede headliner, modern-looking leather seating, and flooring. Now let's move from the salon down to the accommodations by this stairway to port. The Predator 75 comes in both 3-cabin and 4-cabin configurations. The 3-cabin version has a small settee for 2 people. It's perfect for having breakfast or coffee. The galley features a 33-bottle wine cooler and the L-shaped countertop with a lot of space to work. Miele appliances, a stainless steel sink, and a full refrigerator and dual freezer unit. The Predator 75 features a full beam master cabin aft. Let's have a look. The full beam master is another example of bringing the outside in. There are huge windows on both port and starboard. There's an island berth in the center, a faux leather topped vanity. To starboard and forward in the master suite is the ensuite. It features a shower with 6 feet 9 inches of headroom under the shower head. Forward and to port in the master is a large wardrobe. To starboard is a guest stateroom with double berths and an ensuite that doubles as a day head. Now let's go forward to look at the VIP suite. It's got an island berth, a vanity with a faux leather top, an integrated TV into the front wall. The VIP ensuite features a shower that's over 6.5 feet tall. Throughout the yacht, Tecma vacuum flush heads are used. The Predator 75 continues to build on Sunseeker's legacy of high-performance luxury yachts. For Boat Test, I'm Captain Greg, reminding you life is better on a boat.